Afternoon everyone. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the DR.ÖTEK edge digger. Very good product. I like it. It's a digging tool for you metal detecting, so we're gonna have a look at it. It comes with a holster and it's very well made, so let's have a look together. So this is the digger. Sorry, I'm trying to do that with one hand. You got a protective film on top of the label. Very nice holster, very strong and sturdy, so they'll be good for to take with you on when you go metal detecting. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna open the tool for you now. So guys, it'll be easy if I do that. Oh, I do like it. It's awesome. Look at that. Very nice. So this is a company called DR.ÖTEK. They do few other product, metal detecting pouch. Oh, look at that. There you go. So you could see how deep you've been digging your target. It's awesome, absolutely awesome. It's on Amazon for £23.99, I think. So I'll put the link on the description below. So if you want to have a look at that digger, but I will say I give a good 9 out of 10. It's very good for the price. You could pay 70, 60 quid, or I mean 60 pounds, 70 pounds for some of these diggers. But this one is brilliant. This is from DR.ÖTEK. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon, and happy hunting. Bye bye now.